Okay, welcome to 6.2. This is rational exponents. So we are going to simplify expressions with rational exponents and then convert between rational and radical exponents. So what do these rational exponents look like? Okay, x to the 1/2 is really the square root of x, or x to the negative 1/2 is 1 over the square root of x. If I were to write x to the 1/3, that's the cube root of x. So whatever that bottom number of the fraction is what goes in your root. X to the negative 1/3 is 1 over the cube root of x. X to the 1/4 would be the fourth root of x. X to the negative 1/4 would be 1 over the fourth root of x. Okay, so in general, we would say x to the 1 over n is the nth root of x. X to the negative 1 over n is 1 over the nth root of x. Okay, so there's your general situation. All right, so these first few examples, we're just going to rewrite them as a radical form. So like this, as exponents, they are in rational, right? Rational exponent form. We're going to rewrite them as a radical. So x to the 1/6 is just the sixth root of x. A to the negative 1/8, number 2. Negative means it's got to go in the denominator. So that's the 1 over the 8th root of a. Okay, here I have 2x to the 1/5. So that would be the 5th root of 2x. All of it goes underneath there. Negative x to the 1/3. So that 1/3 really means the cube root. And negative x goes on the inside. Okay, we're going to jump a little bit, if you're following along in your notes, to number 7, and now we're going to go the opposite way. So we went from rational exponents to radicals, now we're going to go radicals to exponential. So the fourth root would be x to the 1/4 power. Okay, the sixth root of 4xy would be 4xy to the 1/6 power. So again, whatever is in that root, that's what goes in the denominator of your exponent. Okay, we're also going to evaluate. So we're not just going to write expressions. We're also going to evaluate these. So remember, the 1/2 power is really the square root, and the square root of 81 is 9. Okay, this should be done without a calculator. So if you need to, you may want to brainstorm on your paper. 1 squared is 1, 2 squared is 2, or sorry, not 2, is 4. 3 squared is 9, right, etc. You may also want to think about to the third power. And if you were to just write these on your paper, that might help you going forward. Okay? So 64 to the 1/3, that means the cube root of 64. So what number times itself 3 times is 64? That is 4. Okay, we'll look at a few more. 25 to the negative 1/2, so that means 1 over the square root of 25. So that would be 1 over 5. And then 16 to the 1/2, that is the square root of 16, which is 4. All right, so that is 6.2 rational exponents.